Hi everyone, it's jwitty and welcome back to my studio. I am so excited to be a part of this collaboration. After I got done mixing up my paints, I went to go grab what I thought would be a 16-inch round canvas and realized I had already used it on another piece. And so I didn't have any more round canvases or oval canvases, so I grabbed this 16 by 20 gallery wrapped level 2 canvas and decided to challenge myself to do an ocean wave on a square canvas, which I haven't done before. I really like doing the waves on round canvases because I can put it on my spinner and kind of control how I blow the wave out that way. This format is different because I won't be utilizing my spinner. It'll be on these rods that you see holding up my canvas, and I won't be able to rotate it underneath my dryer. I'm going to have to take my dryer and kind of rotate it by hand on top of the canvas, if that makes sense. So really had fun with this. It was a little bit of a challenge. I had to lay down my paints a couple of times, as you're going to see, but I ultimately end up loving my end result. The shimmer of the metallics that I used in this piece is just phenomenal, and you'll see that in the dry results at the end. So I do ask that you go ahead and drop me a comment down below. Let me know what you think in the comment section down underneath this. It's the title of the video. I really enjoy hearing from you guys, and I do respond. So I want to thank Aishu for inviting me to be a part of this collaboration. I am honored that she thought of me and extended an invite, and she, along with numerous other wonderful artists, are all a part of this 3-day collaboration. So you will find the playlist for all 3 days listed in my description box down below. Just tap on the title of this video. It'll take you right there. And basically, I hope you enjoy the rest of the video. Cynthia is after me. There were some wonderful artists before me. You'll see when you go back and watch the link when you click on the playlist. So anyways, I'm going to stop rambling now. I'm going to put some music on for you guys. Thanks for being here. Aishu, once again, thank you for including me. And until next time, guys, please stay safe, take care, and blessings to you all. Bye-bye.
I will always be your guiding light. I'm your lighthouse, I'm the sun against your dark clouds. I will always be your guiding light. I know you're strong, need to get yourself together. Things still get better if you just believe it. Your light